Hi, good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. I am your favorite girl, Diva, and if you are new to my channel, you're most definitely welcome. Before we go any further into the video, go ahead and subscribe, like, and comment throughout the video. It does help me out a lot, subscribing does, as well as liking my video because it puts me out into the YouTube what is it called? Algorithm. So people who wouldn't normally see my videos would see them, like, comment, and subscribe. So if you're not new, back to you. You a day one, stay one, what's good? Today, it's like, why do I sound like I'm out of breath? But it's literally 6 a.m. I know it's bright outside. It's like 6:50. I have to be at work at 7:30. So I'm not really sure how this is gonna work. I have watched a couple of videos and I really want to do a work day in the life of my life. So I hope I do it right. I hope you guys enjoy the video. So without further ado, honey boo boo, let's go ahead and get into this video. It's Thursday, December 2nd, and I don't know, am I ready to start my day? I'm looking for my period. My boyfriend out here shooting the club up, and my period that usually comes on a is this TMI? I hope it's not, because I feel like we internet cousins, and if you here, you subscribe, we here. Like, we ain't like this, but we like this. You feel me? So make sure my brother getting out the house so he can go to school. But in the moment, obviously it feels good. I ain't finna stop the train and be like, no, but talking about, and what's the worst that could happen? We have a kid? Nigga, yes. Yeah, actually, yes. We both live with our parents. Like, yeah, that's actually the worst thing that can happen. Because it's not finna be, oh, it's a boy. It's finna be, oh, it's an abortion. Like, it's given. Well, let's have some straight talk right quick right now. Is it, excuse me, I got a toot. Oh my God, get out of here. Praise the Lord. First of all, now we in a romantic time and my boyfriend farted and I said, what is that? He talking about it slipped out. You need to slip that back in, because it sounds like something died. It smells, oh my, it smelled like, boy, my love. Usually what I do in the morning is I always eat oatmeal, but if I don't have oatmeal, I like go to McDonald's and get, I don't know what it's called, but I get a number 2 with no cheese, no hash brown, just a sandwich and an orange juice. Yeah, it's like an English muffin type thing, I think, sausage and egg on something, but it's really tasty. It's not really tasty, but it's really tasty when I put that strawberry jelly on the top and about a bun. And it's 57 degrees outside. It's been really chilly lately and I've been loving it every time. Not my body, because child, I feel like I kind of sound like I'm about to get sick, because me and my boyfriend was outside doing our extracurricular activities. And we had finished, and he knows I like to stay outside a little bit and listen to like the crickets or whatever, because we always do it at night. And I was like, can we stay outside a little bit longer? So we stayed outside another 20 minutes, and then the wind started blowing a little hard, and I had sneezed like 4 times in a row, and I said, okay, we gotta go inside. He was like, yeah, you about to get sick already? I was like, yeah, I know. Because it's so easy for me to get like sick. Like the one time we were outside for a baby's birthday party, and I knew, because we were gonna be closer to the water, like closer to the beach, because they live like 5 minutes away from the beach. It's way more windier and chillier by the beach, so I made sure I put on like a denim jacket with my hood. I made sure I wore pants, and I wore a crop top, but it was long. It was a long sleeve crop top, and my jeans was high-waisted, so did it really matter? Nah, because I was completely covered. The only thing that wasn't covered was my head, and I feel like I had got a head cold. I did, because I woke up the next morning, I could barely talk. My nose was really runny and stuffy. And I was just like, dang, bro. 6 minutes in. If y'all still watching this, I appreciate y'all, because I be talking a lot. I really don't have nobody else to talk to throughout the day, except for my boyfriend, and he be at work. So, yeah. I'm about to put this down. Okay, you guys, so it's 11:35. It's officially my lunch break. I have an hour for lunch. So I'm gonna go to Chick-fil-A. I don't normally go to Chick-fil-A like ever, but they sent me a reward for a free chicken sandwich. So the only thing I'm gonna have to do is buy fries and a drink. So I'm pretty much saving some money today. So I'll see you guys at Chick-fil-A. Okay, so I'm not sure if you guys can see me, but I'm in the line at Chick-fil-A. And I'm trying to put the camera somewhere that it won't be so noticeable and they won't be looking up in here. Or like, obviously don't want to get their face either. But I'm in the line and I just remembered, I made a mobile order while I was at work, obviously. Oh, well, not obviously, but I just remembered there's a Christmas party tomorrow and we have a white elephant gift exchange. I have not gotten a gift like at all. So I'm kind of gonna be like taking y'all with me to go get this gift today after work because I haven't bought nothing. Like, honestly don't know. I didn't know I was gonna go. I didn't know we were gonna have a Christmas party. What are you looking at? Until my manager told me like 2 weeks ago, and I was like, do I have to go? And she was like, yeah, you gotta go if you want to get your bonus. I was like, wait, I get a bonus?
Hi, how are you?
Hi, I have a mobile order.
What was the name on it?
DW.
DW. Chick-fil-A sandwich, fries, sundry. Is that about right?
Fine, it's fine. Y'all, I'm so nervous to be recording in public, but it's fine. It's no big deal. I'm not gonna die. They're just gonna look at me and be like, what is that? And it's okay.
You're a DW, no ice?
Yeah.
We have Chick-fil-A sriracha barbecue Polly in the back.
Thank you. Hey, she didn't even see it. It's fine. I wasn't noticed. I wasn't clocked. I can breathe. Okay. Okay. It's fine. My car still works. It didn't stop. So I usually eat in the dark in the lunch area because nobody really goes on lunch at the same time. This is my setup, my fries, which I ate most of them on the way here. Sandwich. Let me get everything on the side, lettuce, tomato, pickle, so I can put it on myself. But I'm sure the pickle is not in here, even though I asked for every single thing on the side. And I got barbecue sauce, Chick-fil-A sauce, Polynesian, and sweet and spicy sriracha. I'm trying to whisper because I don't want no one to hear me. Okay, you guys, so it is officially 4:32, which means for me, I'm off work. Today, it's been really slow at work this past few, because I guess it's chillier in Florida. And if you don't know, Florida is a retirement state. It's a lot of old heads here that come down from up north. And even the people that live here. It be feeling good to me. It was like 58 degrees this morning. I was living. I was like, yes, 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 yes. And now that it's 75, I'm like, ew, 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 ew. But yeah, so like I was telling you guys earlier, because we have a Christmas party tomorrow, you guys can't see me and I'm sorry. So this is probably gonna be a bad angle for the next few, I guess, couple minutes. But I'm gonna go ahead and probably go to Five Below because I know it's over here somewhere. I'm gonna stop at Five Below, and if I don't find anything at Five Below, I'm gonna just go to the mall and like go to Spencer's or something. Because if I don't find like a good gift, I want to give a gag gift. So most of the people there, they have a lot of like kids. This one dude just had a baby, so I was thinking about getting him a little pair of baby socks, or like depending on how much it is. I honestly think I am gonna do that. I'm probably just gonna buy baby clothes because if he gets it, it probably will benefit him. But it's like a white elephant exchange. So at the same time, what if he don't get it? Because if I get some baby sneakers, I'm gonna be mad. Like, what is this? What is this, honey? Because I don't approve, and I'll be looking to switch. Like, who want this? Because I don't. I'll be trying to put my big toe in it. Like, what am I gonna do with this? How can I make this work? All right, y'all, I can't record in here long because copyright, but I've only just walked in and I found something already. I got some wrapping paper. It has polar bears, and it looks like Little Monster, maybe Abominable Snowman, and it's Santa Claus, and it looks like he's a black Santa Claus, so that's really why I got it. So let me see what I can see. Oh shoot, Lord have mercy, help me. Okay, first of all, this thing ain't even that big. Like, what is this? Okay. Witch hazel face mask. Okay. Okay, I might need. Okay, this is not for me. This is not for me. Double-sided. Oh Lord, I'm about to get this. Oh, dang. Like, they really got some finds in here. Like, I want this facial brush, but I already have an extractor. I don't need another one. I need a sleep mask, but I don't want no monkeys on it. Sinus pillow with warming therapy. I don't know what warming therapy is. This is not for me though. Like, why am I doing this? Why am I like this? Okay, I gotta go. Ooh, I don't know what piece of paper still on there. Even better. So, I'm gonna show you all what I got from Five Below. I got your socks. I'm so sorry. I mean it now a little. I got some socks for $2. It's a pair. I got this hat, the Scully, whatever it's called. A beanie or a Scully. $5. I got some chapstick for me, because I left mine at work. Vaseline cocoa butter. This face mask for $1.25. Deep cleansing lime. And I got this shirt that says send nudes with some noodles on there. I was gonna get a shirt with shrooms on it, but I was like, I don't really want them to be in my business like that. So I just figured that one would be more work appropriate anyway. So I got that. And now, oh, I also got banana and grape now and laters. I got these for myself, and then I put a couple in there for them because they were 10 cents. So I'm about to go home now. Take my 25 minute commute, and I will see you guys later. If you made it to the end of this vlog, I appreciate you. Thank you so much for... That's so rude. My bad. If you made it to the end of this vlog, I appreciate you. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in another vlog. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, I miss you already, child. Bye.